Hello students, in chapter of index number, today we take one practical sum of combo pack. Combo pack? Yes. The conversion point is there with two methods combination, that is total expenditure method as well as family budget index number method. It means you can do the practice of conversion point also, and in one question you have to calculate the total expenditure or aggregate expenditure method as well as family budget index number method. Here the sum is before you. Please open your textbook. Textbook page number 54. Exercise number 1 and sum number 5. Exercise 1, sum number 5. The point of conversion method with total expenditure and family budget index number method. You can refer page number 54 and 55 also, because some part of question is on page number 55. Now they provide 6 different items in the question. The first is wheat, then rice, sugar, oil, pulses and ghee. As per our rule of conversion, 1 ton is equals to 1000 kg. 1 quintal is equals to 100 kg. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. 1 dozen is equals to 12 pieces. 1 gross is equals to 144 pieces or 12 dozen. So we have to convert the different quantities with dividing the price, and then we have to find the total expenditure or aggregate expenditure method as well as family budget index number method. Let's move towards the sum. Here it is the question. In first item, that is wheat, unit is provided in quintal while the quantity is in kilogram. As we all aware, 1 quintal is equals to 100 kilogram, 100 kg. So our golden rule for conversion method is always divide the price, no change in quantity. Now students, when we have to convert the quintal into the kilogram, then both the prices must be divided with 100, because 1 quintal is equals to 100 kg. So here it is the calculation for it. Wheat P0 is equals to 1800 divided by 100, that is 18. For current year price, it is 2400 divided by 100, so it is 24. Both the prices are converted into the new price. New price is P0 18 and P1 24. Now next item is rice. Here the unit is provided in kilogram and quantity is also provided in kilogram. But one thing is there, students, instead of giving the price of 1 kilogram, they provide in unit 20 kilogram. So again, both the prices must be divided with 20, because we require the price of only 1 kg. So here, to convert both the price, here is the calculation before you. Rice P0 700, which is given, divided by 20. So new converted price of base year is 35 and new converted price for current year is 800 divided by 20, that is 4040. Next item, that is sugar, kg, also 1 kg, no any digit means 1 kg. Unit is in kg, quantity is also in kg, and also it is 1 kg price. So students, there is no any change in price or no any change in quantity. So price and quantity, whatever provided in the question, the same we should take. Clear? Okay. Now oil. Unit is provided in kg, kilogram. The quantity is also in kg, kilogram. Both are in kg. And also here kilogram is only 1 kilogram. Again, there is no any change in price or no any change in quantity. Next item is pulses. The unit is provided in 20 kg while quantity is also provided in kg. But friends, here they provide 20 kg. We require the price of only 1 kg. So both the price must be divided with 2020. Here it is the calculation for pulses. P0 is equals to 2000 divided by 20, that is 100, and 2400 divided by 20, that is 120. Our last item is heat. Kilogram, also 1 kilogram. So there is no any change in price, whatever given in the question, as well as quantity, whatever given in the question. No change at all because both are in kilogram. So here students, the conversion point is clear with you. Now after converting the base year price and current year price, we have to prepare the different columns. Here it is the columns before you. First column is item, wheat, rice, sugar, oil, pulses and ghee. No need to prepare the column of unit as we converted all the prices. So Q0, that is quantity of base year, which is given in the question, 100, 40, 40, 60, 40, 36. Same we write here. Friends, remember one thing properly. In price of base year and price of current year, we have to take new converted prices. In place of whatever price is given in the question, now we have to consider here, now we have to take here the converted prices. How can we take it? See here, P0. The converted price for base year for wheat is 18. So we take here 18. Converted price of P1 is 24. So here we take 24. Rice P0, that is 35. Converted price P1 we should take 40. Sugar no change. Oil no change. Pulses, the converted price of pulses is 100, so we take 100. The converted price, current year price for pulses is 120, so here we take 120. In short, we have to take the converted price of base year and current year here in the method. Now we have to do two methods, total expenditure method as well as family budget index number method. For total expenditure method, we have to prepare additional two columns. For total expenditure or aggregate expenditure method, we have to prepare additional two columns, that is P1 Q0 and P0 Q0. P1 Q0 means multiplication of P1 column with Q0 column. 24 into 100, that is 2400. 40 into 40, that is 1600. 36 into 40, 1440, 120 into 60, 7200, 120 into 40, 4800, 480 into 36, that is what? 17,280. P0Q0 means multiplication of P0 column with Q0 column. Here it is 18 into 100, that is 1800, 35 into 40, that is 1400, 30 into 40, 1200, 108 into 60, 6480, 100 into 40, 4000, and 480 into 36, that is 14,400. After preparing both the column, that is P1Q0 and P0Q0, we have to do the total of both the columns. Total of P1Q0 is called sigma P1Q0. Total of P0Q0 column is called sigma P0Q0. These are the two columns for total expenditure method or aggregate expenditure. For family budget index number method, we have to prepare additional three columns. First column is I. The column of I we can prepare as I is equals to P1 upon P0 into 100. Second additional column for family budget is W. W column is ready with us, that is P0 Q0. And third additional column for family budget method is IW. Now I would like to explain you the calculation. I is equals to P1 upon P0 into 100. So 24 divided by 18 into 100, the answer is 133.33. 40 divided by 35 into 100, the answer is 114.29. 36 divided by 30 into 100, answer is 120. 120 divided by 100 into 100, that is 120. 480 divided by 400 into 100, that is 120. By this way we can prepare the column of I. The column of W is ready with us, that is P0 Q0, same column, 1800, 1400, 1200, 6480, 4000, 14,800. Total is 29,280. And the last column for family budget method is IW. IW means multiplication of column of I with W. For example, 133.33 into 1800, that is 2,39,994. Same way, all, for example, 111.11 into 6480, that is 7,19,992.8. For last item, that is 120 into 14,400 is equal to 17,28,000. Then we have to do the total of last column, that is sigma IW, 34,71,992.8. After preparing all the columns, at last step, students, we have to apply the formula. And remember, the answer of family budget index number and total expenditure method always come same. Both the answers are always same. So, for total expenditure or aggregate expenditure method, the formula is I is equals to sigma P1Q0 upon sigma P0Q0 into 100. We put the values into the formula. I is equals to sigma P1Q0 means 34,720. Sigma P0Q0 is 29,280 into 100. So the answer of index number is 118.58. For family budget index number method, the formula is I is equals to sigma IW upon sigma W. Sigma IW is 34,71,992.8 divided by 29,280. So the index number is 118.58. Both the answers, answer of family budget index number as well as answer of total expenditure, both are always same. So I am confident that now you all are able to do the sum of total expenditure method as well as family budget index number method with the point of conversion. Now you can first able to convert the prices, and easily preparing all the columns you can able to find the total expenditure as well as family budget index number method. So now the same sums of exercise of illustration you are all able to do yourself. So definitely I would like to give you some sums for your practice, so self-practice and homework. Thank you for your cooperation. Thanks to all.